How to clear cache on iPhone quickly. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a modern-day essential skill, how to clear cache on your iPhone. Now, clearing cache from your browser and apps might sound super techy, but trust me, it's like giving your iPhone a mini spa day. You'll free up space and even give your phone a speed boost. Sounds good? Let's do it. To start with Safari, here's what you need to do. Open your Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Scroll down, tap on Clear History and Website Data. This is your digital reset button. Your iPhone will ask if you're sure. Just go ahead and confirm. But hey, if you don't want to erase everything, maybe you want to keep your cookies and login info, you can just clear the cache instead. Here's how. Tap on Advanced. Then tap Website Data. Now you'll see a list of websites that have been quietly hoarding your data. Tap Edit if you want to delete specific sites one by one. Or if you're ready for full digital spring cleaning, tap Remove All Website Data. It's like wiping the slate clean. No dust, no drama. Now let's talk about apps. Some apps can eat up a ton of space, but you don't have to delete them completely. Instead, you can offload them. This removes the app, but keeps all your data safe and sound. Here's what you can do. Go back to Settings, tap General, then tap on iPhone Storage. This is the control room where you'll see a list of all your apps and how much space they're hogging. Tap the app you want to deal with. Then tap Offload App. Don't worry, your data stays put, even if the app is gone for now in Offloading App. Confirm it, and boom, instant space saver. And there you have it. You just gave your iPhone a digital makeover. You have seared the cache, freed up storage, and made it run smoother. Now you've got much more space for more apps, more photos, and definitely more memes. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit like and subscribe for more simple and smart tech tips. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss an upcoming update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.